Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading demo account on IC Markets. At the end of the video, we will reveal one helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential, so be sure to stick around. Let's get started. IC Markets is an online, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, Commodities, Indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Their accounts feature a cTrader and MetaTrader raw spread account, and a standard account with lower spreads, leverage, and up to 64 tradable currency pairs. Supported platforms for live and demo accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and MetaTrader Web, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. If you ever require any assistance while on their website, you can click on the 24/7 support button at the bottom right of the homepage here. This will then redirect you to their Help Center, where you can find helpful information that could assist you, or simply click on the chat button here, submit your name and email address, and a support representative will then get back to you. Today, I am going to show you how to open a demo account with IC Markets. Firstly, head over to their website at icmarkets.com. On their homepage here, on the left of the page, you will see Start Trading or Try a Free Demo. Click on Try a Free Demo. Next, fill out and submit your personal information such as your name, email address, and contact number. After you have submitted your information, you will then need to open your preferred demo account. Choose your preferred platform, account type, base currency, leverage, and your initial deposit. After you have submitted your demo account preferences, simply head over to the Download Center and download and install IC Markets MetaTrader 4, or any platform of your choice. After you have downloaded the MetaTrader platform, what you'll want to do is simply click on the demo account server that was assigned to your account, which is displayed in the email sent to you from IC Markets. And then, log in to an existing trade account. Simply log in with the information displayed in the email that IC Markets has sent you after you decided on your demo account preferences. And just like that, we're in. This is an IC Markets demo account on MetaTrader 4 for Windows. In the center of the dashboard here, we can see our main chart windows. You can change your chart types here from either line, candlestick, or bar charts. You can easily zoom in and out of the selected chart window with the magnifying glass buttons on the right side of the chart types buttons. To open one of the chart windows into a full screen window, simply click on the full screen button at the top right of your preferred chart window. At the top left of the selected chart window here, we can see our quick buy and sell order window, or our one-click trading option. This is where you can make quick buy and sell order executions on the selected currency pair or trading instrument directly from its chart window. On the left side of the dashboard here, we can see our Market Watch. This displays all the trading instruments that IC Markets provides. If you wish to open an individual buy and sell order window for your preferred instrument or currency pair, simply right-click on the selected pair and click on New Order. This will then open a separate buy and sell order window, which displays some additional information and its very own line chart. If you would like to add a preferred currency pair into its own chart window, simply right-click on the selected pair and click on Chart Window. This will then add the selected pair into its own chart window in the center of the dashboard here. To add a one-click trading option to your newly added chart window, simply right-click on the chart and click on One-Click Trading. This will then open its own quick buy and sell order window at the top left of the chart window here. And at the bottom left of the dashboard here, we can see all the trading instruments which we have added into their own chart windows. You can easily switch between these pairs from right here. If you ever require any assistance while using MetaTrader 4, you can click on the Help button at the top left of the dashboard here. This will then display some video guides and a Help Topic Center, which delves into various aspects of platform functionality to help you get started. IC Markets also offers their very own Education Center, which provides some in-depth topic discussions, multiple free video tutorials, and an education hub for you to browse through as you please. One helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential is to create your own individual strategy. One key point here is to consider asking yourself, what is it that you want to achieve from trading, and which strategy do you find speaks to you the most? Asking these questions and thinking about your goals can greatly assist you with improving your own discipline when it comes to trading. Consider writing down all your thoughts when deciding which strategy appeals to you more than others. What stands out in correlation to your goals? Start slowly and gradually work your way up, as learning a new skill always requires starting from scratch. Practice regularly and focus on keeping your emotions in line while deciding what you would do in times of pressure. Once you have the basics down, consider adapting your strategy with more in-depth and advanced methods, which can help be one step to becoming a more successful individual trader. And that's how to open a demo account on IC Markets. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which Forex platform you're currently using to trade on. And that's it from me. To open an account now, click the link in the description. And as always, good luck.